or partial derivatives of functions. U equals tan inverse x square plus y square upon x plus y. Second, u equals cos inverse x by y. Third, u equals log x square plus y square. First function, u equals tan inverse x square plus y square upon x plus y. Since we have derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x equals 1 by 1 plus x square, we have dou u by dou x for this function obtained as 1 by 1 plus x square plus y square upon x plus y the whole square into derivative of this expression. Here we can take LCM so that x plus y the whole square can be written here, and the denominator, which becomes common, x plus y the whole square, can be taken to the numerator. In order to partially differentiate this expression, we will consider y as a constant and we will apply quotient rule here. That is, denominator into partial derivative of numerator with respect to x minus numerator into partial derivative of denominator with respect to x upon denominator the whole square. After simplification, we obtain dou u by dou x as x square plus 2xy minus y square upon x plus y the whole square plus x square plus y square the whole square. Observe that this function is symmetric with respect to x and y, because if you replace x and y each other, you get the same function. Therefore, you can easily write dou u by dou y as y square plus 2xy minus x square upon x plus y the whole square plus x square plus y square the whole square. This is obtained by just replacing x and y in this answer. This is applicable only when u is a function which is symmetric with respect to both x and y. You can verify this answer performing these steps, but carrying out the partial differentiation with respect to y treating x as a constant. Second function, u equals cos inverse x by y. We have derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x obtained as negative 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, we have dou u by dou x for u equals cos inverse x by y obtained as negative 1 upon root of 1 minus x by y the whole square into derivative of x by y with respect to x. Here, partial differentiation is done with respect to x, treating y as a constant. This can be rewritten as y square minus x square upon y square inside the root. When root of y square in the denominator is taken to numerator, it becomes negative 1 into y, which is negative y. When you partially differentiate x by y with respect to x, treating y as a constant, we get 1 by y. After simplification, this can be written as negative 1 upon root of y square minus x square, cancelling y and y, which is common to both numerator and denominator. In order to find out dou u by dou y, you will partially differentiate this expression with respect to y treating x as a constant. That is, dou u by dou y equals negative 1 upon root of 1 minus x by y the whole square into dou by dou y of x by y. Here, when you partially differentiate x by y with respect to y treating x as a constant, you get minus x upon y square, because derivative of 1 by y with respect to y is negative 1 by y square. After simplification, you get this as the answer. Here, notice that the given function is not symmetric with respect to x and y. Cos inverse x by y is not equal to cos inverse y by x. Therefore, we cannot apply the symmetricity property to find out the partial derivatives by looking at dou u by dou x expression. The third function, u equals log x square plus y square. Notice that this function is symmetric with respect to x and y, because log x square plus y square equals log y square plus x square. Dou u by dou x equals 1 by x square plus y square into derivative of x square plus y square partially with respect to x. That is, 1 by x square plus y square into dou by dou x of x square plus y square. We have dou by dou x of x square plus y square equals 2x. Therefore, dou u by dou x equals 2x upon x square plus y square. Here, if you replace x by y, you will get dou u by dou y as 2y upon x square plus y square. Whenever function is symmetric, after evaluating dou u by dou x, you have to replace x and y each other to get the answer for dou u by dou y. You can verify the answer by evaluation as well. Dou u by dou y is derivative of log x square plus y square with respect to y treating x as a constant. That is, 1 by x square plus y square into dou by dou y of x square plus y square. Dou by dou y of x square plus y square equals 2y. Therefore, dou u by dou y equals 2y upon x square plus y square.